Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Lesson first, binary number system, lecture number 2. So let's start this video. Agenda of this video, content of this video: binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplications, and binary division. So let's start. First, binary addition. It is a key for binary subtraction, multiplication, divisions. There are the four rules of binary addition. Here the case, here a plus b, sum and carry. 0 plus 0, 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1, carry 0. Third, 1 plus 0, 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry 1. In the fourth case, binary addition is creating a sum of 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0, and 0 is written in given column and a carry 1 over the next column. It means when you are add 1 plus 1, you have find 1 0 and you write 0 and carry 1. So here through example you better understand. Here the example: 0 0 plus 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 plus 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. You add it 0 and 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 plus 1, 1 0, and you write here 0 and 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 0, 1. Before the examples, suppose you want to add 1 1 0 0 1 0, then 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0. Then you write 0 or 1 is carry. You write here 0 or 1 is carry. Then 1 plus 1, 1 0. Means you follow these rules. Means 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 plus 1, 1 0. You write 0 and 1 is carry forward. Next, binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. Subtraction and borrow, these two words will be used very frequently for the binary subtraction. There are four types of binary subtraction: case, a minus b, subtracted, and borrow. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, borrow 0, 1 minus 1, 0, and borrow 0. But 0 minus 1, subtracted 0 and borrow 1. You take borrow 1 to the next number. So example you better understand. Here 0 0 1 1 0 1 0, subtract 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 1, mistake borrow and find out 1. And here again 0 minus 1, 1, and here 0, and all things 0. You better understand through this example. Suppose you want to subtract 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Subtract here means 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 0 1. Through this example you better understand subtraction. Next, multiplication. Binary multiplications. Binary multiplication is similar to decimal multiplication. It is similar than decimal multiplication because only zeros and 1 are involved. There are 4 rules of binary multiplications. Here the case A into B and multiplications. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0 and 1 into 1 1, just like our mathematical multiplication. Here examples: 2 times 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 and multiply 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. You multiply 0, multiply all things, find 0, again 0 multiply all things 0, 1 multiply same number and 1 multiply same number. When we multiply 0 then find 0, then after that you add it according to the binary number. When you add the 0 0 0 1 1 1. Simple example here again: 1 0 1 multiply by 1 1, 1 multiply 1 1 multiply 0 0, 1 multiply 1 1, cut 1 multiply 1 1 multiply 0 0, 1 multiply 1 1. Then after that you add it: 1 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 and last one 1. Then you will find such like this. Means you multiply 1 and 0 and after that you add as a binary number system. Next one, the binary division. Binary division. Binary division is similar to decimal division. It is called as a long division procedure. Example here: divide 1 triple 0 to 1 double 0 1 0 1 0. Here the divisor, here the dividend, and this is the quotient, and here remainder. So let's start. You divide it 1 times 1 triple 0, then you might subtract it 1 minus 0 1 and next number, but this one is the smallest, then you can 0 times and next number also below here 1 and this one is also smaller compared to this, then 0 times more, then you find 1 0 1 0, then you take 1 times. When after 1 times 1 triple 0 and subtract it, you find 0 means 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 1. Find remainder 10 and quotient this one. Through this you can easy way to use it. Means binary number system perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, 4 type of operations, and near about same, but additions have some difference, subtraction have difference, multiplication and divisions just like a decimal mathematical operations. Hopefully all students understands All agenda of this video means binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. If you face any problem, contact my personal number or WhatsApp. Thank you.